Ever seen someone yawn and suddenly felt the urge to yawn yourself? Think of your brain like a computer. When it starts to overheat, it slows down. Yawning is like your body's built-in cooling system. The deep intake of cool air and the stretching of your jaw helps lower the temperature of the blood flowing to your brain, keeping it at the perfect operating temperature. So the next time you yawn, you're not just tired, you're actually cooling down your brain to stay alert and focused. It's a pretty cool trick, isn't it? If you found that interesting, hit that subscribe button for more fun facts.